How to fix Windows Update error code 0x80070643. In this video I will show you two methods. I hope it will fix your problem. First, open Services. Locate Windows Update service. Open it. In Startup, type Select Automatic. Press Apply and then OK. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Press Enter. Press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Type the following command and press Enter. It will take few minutes to complete. After scanning complete, restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.